Changing the fuel filter on the C320. Has 177,000 miles. Let's see if I can get this on camera. It's important to change your fuel filter. Probably like 150. Wasn't running bad at all, but still. These are the stock crimp clamps, and I'm going to replace them with these, and hopefully they have enough clamping force to keep that filter in. There's a new filter, genuine Mercedes fuel filter. What you want to do is when taking this out, this pan sits up like this. Yeah, that shit's loud. There's gonna be 10 mil plastic nuts right here, one right here, one right there, and another one across, and another one right there. Just yank that down, easy access to that, and then you got this plastic housing clip that goes in, clamps down on the filter, and it's held in by a torque spick. And the torque stick is a c320. That's it. That's all you have to do to change the fuel filter on a W203 C320. And those two holes. The plastic 10mm nuts. That one and that one in the corner has to be removed. You pry down this and you get to your fuel filter.